Hey everybody, welcome to Chin Fat. In this episode, I'm going to be going over a little problem that people have been would normally have. Say you're going from a 1920 by 1080 monitor to like an HD monitor to a UHD monitor or something like a 4K monitor, and maybe even not just that, but if you're working on maybe on a small laptop with a small screen, and your letters and all the lettering and the fonts seem too small, where it's kind of hard to read them when you're squinting at like these kind of small numbers, and you want to make them bigger. I wish Premiere would put this inside of the preferences here somewhere, like under appearance, but they don't. It's kind of in a deep, dark, hidden method of doing this. If you want to increase your font size, you can try doing it in your system preferences, like on a Mac or a PC, just the way it displays text. But this is like the easiest way I've learned recently. Is you hit, on a Mac, you're going to hit Command F12, and on a PC, you're going to have to hit Control F12. And in some instances, if you're working on one of those little skinny Mac keyboards, you might have to hit Command Function F12 to activate the function key. The FN key is what activates the function keys at the top of your keyboard. So right now I'm just going to hit, on mine, I've got a regular keyboard, so it works when I just hit Command F12 and it pops open this little console here. Under this console, you're going to go up and click on this little 3-layer tab here. You click on that, and you don't want the console view, but you want what's called Debug Database View. This is pretty easy, but it's kind of a weird spot to find this stuff though. So I'm going to click on Debug Database View. It'll open up a list of all these database items, view items that you can change here, and one of which is going to be the font size. So I'm just going to go in the search engine and type in font, and you'll see Adobe Clean Font Size right there. Right now I intentionally set it low because to 4. I think by default it's either 10 or 12 or something like that, but I intentionally set it low so I can make the lettering smaller to kind of show what happens when people get like a 4K monitor, even though right now I'm recording on an HD monitor. So I'm going to type this in. I'm going to type in something a little bit larger. I'm going to go, rather than 12, I'm going to go like to 16. 16 is what I set it at on my 4K monitors here. Then you're going to close this, and then nothing has seemingly happened. What you have to do is you have to completely quit out of Premiere. So Command Q or Control Q to quit completely out of the software. There we go. Everything's all quit now. Now I'm just in the Finder here, and then you can search Premiere Pro and start it up again. And then once you start Premiere, you'll notice that all the lettering down here in the side panel, all the lettering is much larger now. And you can customize your text size to your preference and get it how large you want or how small you want. But that's just a quick little tutorial on font size inside of Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and thanks for watching.